right, greetings, guys. It's Miss Bush, your math coach. So today I wanted to share with you some various virtual manipulative tools that you have available to you in some of our resources that we have through the district. So first I want to share with you where you can find virtual manipulatives in iReady. So you would just log into the employee portal like normal and go to your class link. Once you're in class link, you're going to click on your iReady app once it gets up. So here's iReady. So you'll click on iReady. So once you're in iReady on mine, you're going to look for your teacher toolbox. So I know also teacher toolbox can be found here in Assess and Teach, right here in this area. But you can definitely just go from here, teacher toolbox. So they've updated some things and they've added virtual manipulatives. So you choose your corresponding grade level. So I'm just going to shoot for second. And you're going to make sure you're in math, your subject, and then you're going to click on program implementation. So once you click on program implementation, you get a list of resource tools, and one of those resource tools are digital math tools. And as you can see, there's support videos as well, and then those discourse cards that we often like to print or have available to us as well. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to look at the math tools. So you click on the little notebook page here, and then your math tools for your grade level will come up. So there are counters and cubes, base 10 blocks, number line tool, multiplication models, perimeter area tool, and fraction model tool. And so you just click on the actual tool, open it up, and there you have it. There's a map there. So you have purple, blue, and green, and so forth. Okay. Yes. All right, so that's one tool I want to show you. Another virtual tool that we also have is with your McGraw-Hill. So your My Math text. So if you have, you'll look for the McGraw-Hill app, which it looks like this. And so for me, because I have admin rights, I have all of the textbooks. So you'll see like math and science all there, and for like multiple grade levels. So as well as the ESOL textbooks as well. So I'm going to go to the third grade math book and the teacher edition. Okay. So I don't want that. All right, that's the tutorial. So once in there, you're going to click on this menu button up here at the top. And when you click on the menu button, you're going to scroll down and then choose resources. Okay. So once you choose resources, you're going to actually click on keyword search. And you will notice in the keyword search that you have tools, which is here. And then when you click on tools, you'll be looking for your math tools. So as you can see here in your math tools, there's base 10 blocks, there's a number line, there's place value to millions, two color counters, connecting cubes, pattern blocks, money, color tiles, bucket balance, number line, fraction tiles. So a lot more than what you see in the iReady. You have clocks, centimeter grid, geoboards, and bands. So definitely get in and play around with these to see what it looks like. Work mats. Oh wow, and I see you can change the work mat, blank work mat, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okie dokie. Remove background, clear objects, you can print it. So then you can also make like your own little worksheets There's a ruler, straight line tool, a pen, a timer, so you can even set your time. Which is really, 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 really cool, right? So definitely go ahead and start playing around in McGraw-Hill or iReady. And there are some free websites with some resources as well. Because as we continue to work through, teaching simultaneously and virtually with a mix with the face-to-face, admin as well as district leaders are going to want to see you use various types of models. So I just wanted to share some tools with you that you can use and kind of work through and play with in your PLCs. All right, thanks.